In this video, for a change, I'm starting off with google.com. Now, why am I doing it? So in google.com, or when we work with this code, finally what Google is a software code written at the back, right? Now, one of the important feature, one of the primary feature, of course, without which it cannot work, is where Google needs to take the input of the search query. Like, let us say we want to search more about Bolt IoT, but how will Google know what we want to search about? That is only possible because in this box we enter the text for which we want to search for. So I type Bolt IoT and then I press enter, and that is when Google is going to search for the search results. So basically, a software code is able to take any input as part of its functioning. Now, how can we do that as part of our Python code? So that is what we are going to learn in this video. So I'll close this, I'll come here, I'll make my code little more simpler. I will remove all this part, A, B, and C, okay? And what I'm just going to do is, I will design my code in such a way that first the code will ask the input value of C. It will ask what is the value of C, and then print the output of C, whatever we give the input as. So here I will, so to take input as part of any code, the function for that is input. Then you open bracket, and inside the bracket, you write the question that you want to ask. Okay, and it will be a string as always. So here it is. What do you want to keep the value of C? Okay, this is my question. So moment in the first line, input, and you write whatever is the question that is going to be right. So, and I will press run. Now here, if you see, first line of code, it has run and it asked us this question, whatever the question that we had put in. So here I'm going to enter. Let us say I want the value of C to be 10. I'll enter 10 and I'll say enter. I press the enter button there. Then it went to the next line. Since we added the value of C as 10 here, C's value became 10, and then it said print value of C is 10. Okay. Now let me try making it slightly different. See here there is no space. So here I will put question mark and I will make it slightly better. Enter the value here and I'll put colon and space. So it will slightly look better. I will run it again. What do you want to be the value of C? Enter the value here. I will say this time to be 22 and enter. I have to press enter. You cannot see it on the screen, but I'm pressing enter after typing the value, and it says the value of C is 22. So this is how you can enter any value of the code. Okay, do try it out, because in the next one, we're going to build a small tool, a simple calculator is what we're going to build as next part of next project.